Good morning, traders. I have the Dow Jones. It was headed. We hit resistance. We had 5 days down. We had a hot jobs number on Friday, and we gapped right back up. The bull is very strong on the Dow. Now, that jobs popped it right back where the selling occurred in the Dow. And when we hit support and we got the jobs Friday number, a huge pop higher in the Dow. The Dow's been the best there is. It was up 341 points, and we're right back where we start at resistance. Now, once you start going down, unless you break above the old highs, then the risk to the downside of a pullback is still in October. We have a hot jobs number. People are extremely bullish up here at the highs on the Dow. It is a red flag. The charts tell the truth right here in the Dow. Pass it on to everyone you know.